Welcome to this video on how to navigate around the aimyPlus and Xero integrations and transactions page. This is a new feature that we've developed over the last couple of years, and it's aimed at aimyPlus clients and users that have a live and active Xero integration in place. Please note that if you are interested in having a look at a Xero accounting software in the future and want to set up an integration, we'd be more than happy to assist you. Please just feel free to contact our customer success. Right, so for the video today, we are going to be taking you through to the Finance tab, and this is where you will find your Transactions and Integrations page. Once we select this page, it will bring up the Xero integration status bar. So as you can see over there at the top, that you have a bar in blue, and you're able to view any queued invoices, credit notes, and subsidy payments. Now, please keep in mind that this Xero integration status bar is a reflection of what is happening with your current API integration. Right, if we move down, you can then see the transactions page. So this is where you can view a couple of options. You can either look at your invoice tab, you have a credit card payment tab, as well as subsidy payments and of course credit notes. There's a few key areas that I'd like to highlight with you during this video, and the first is the filtering features of this transactions page. So you have the ability where you can select the term. So if you clicked on the drop-down menu, you could change the term and that would automatically update the dates. And you can, of course, select the status option as well. So you can either leave it as show all, or you can actually select it as another status, for example, approved. You then click the search button, and what that will do is it will update and refresh the data according to the filters that you've now in place. Another point to mention is you also have the ability to export this data to an Excel document if it is required. There's a few points to note here on this transactions and integrations page is when you are drilling down and you've selected your terms and your statuses, you will see that you obviously have line by line of each booking and invoice that is now integrated with your Xero account. Something else to highlight is your error messages. So one thing that we find is quite common is that we have error messages in the events where contacts have duplicate email addresses. So what we would recommend is you log into your Xero account and you unarchive a contact card or a parent, of course, and then those parents' email addresses or contact email addresses could potentially have two profiles. So what we recommend is you remerge those emails and profiles to ensure that those email addresses are the ones that are linked to the aimyPlus account. If you have any questions on how to do that, please feel free to contact our team. So when you have noticed that you have errors in place, you will see that a resend button is available for you to use. So you are able to resend this invoice and that will be automatically then resent to your Xero account using that resend button. You then also have the ability to do a bit of a deep dive, and you can view invoice lines, and that will bring up a snapshot of the details of the invoice, or you can view payments as well. Thank you for your time in learning more about the aimyPlus and Xero integration status page. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support. Have a great day and thanks for tuning in.